done the right way. So we actually saw an increase in deficiencies for a couple months there. So the other ones in here, and Rudy will get into details. Conductors exposed to UV, conduit, and really any penetrations properly sealed, inverters exposed to direct UV, labels durable, roof penetrations flash, is sitting between 15 and 20%, which is an issue. So some of this data, just from the data side, if it is in fact missing, for example, in the attic we ask a question, are there exposed lag screws, meaning the installer, when setting the mounting rails, drills into the Raptor and misses, so that screw would be exposed if we were to peek into the attic, and doesn't, they don't pull the screw out. So that's a really high percentage that we see, over 5%. But those are that's of overall. We're only able to look at maybe 50% of all attics for various reasons, accessibility. So if some of this data is really worth looking at and saying, hey, are we doing this the right way, and how can we improve for long-term durability of the system? And then production, much of the industry is driven on production guarantees, so a lot of this will certainly affect production. So of all of the deficiencies and items of improvement, we really summed it up into 4 areas. Number one, system labeling, which I think the industry has this view that it's probably the least important. I strongly disagree. I'll save the webinar from that right now, but I believe the NEC was adopted in this section of the NEC